And yes, John Koken Garu to please speak now.
Andariki Namaskaram. Thank you to all the press and media for coming here and supporting us. Let me start by saying thank you to the first person who called me, which is Vasu Garu, the CEO of Nick Studios and Abhishek Pictures. So Vasu Garu was the first person who called me. And నాకు డైలాగ్స్ తెలుగులో అయితే ఎరగతీస్తుంది సో స్పీచ్ కొంచెం కష్టం సో ఐమ్ గోన్ కంటిన్యూ స్పీకింగ్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ అండ్ a special mention to our writer Rajiv Krishna and Shravan Garu. They are the writers of this beautiful story, Nagabandham. And I'll again say thank you to Abhishek sir. I've said this time and again. There are a lot of actors in India thanks to OTT. You can pick any actor from any country. I mean, any country, any state, anywhere. But I don't know why Abhishek sir cast me for this film. So thank you Abhishek sir for this opportunity, and to my producers Kishore Garu and Nishita ma'am, and a special mention to Nishita ma'am because every movie has a separate marketing and a promotion team. The marketing and promotion of everything that we see on social media everywhere for Nagabandham is entirely handled by Nishita ma'am. She has been multitasking for this day and night. Apart from the production, the promotion, the marketing, everything she has been coordinating single-handedly. So can we please have a round of applause for Nishita ma'am? And to all my co-actors, Garuda sir, Praveen, Rishabh. This is Rishabh's first film in South India. And I can tell that Rishabh, you're going to be here for a long time. Okay, and
I forgot to mention, but John had my back throughout the shoot, you know. He was making me so comfortable on set. Bro, I really want to thank you for that, man. Thank you.
And to my hero Virat Garu, I have most of my scenes were with Virat, and he has literally given his heart and soul. He would diet. He would be, he would be on a calorie deficit diet. He had to do action sequences, and most of his scenes are bare body. So he had to be in the best of shape. He had to shoot. He had to go finish his workout. And then when there were some days that he had fever, despite whatever, he made sure that not a single day there was any problem. He turned up on set every day before time and he was there for the shot. So Virat, I remember when the trailer release happened, somebody called Virat a Kotta hero. I can confidently say after July 3rd, he's going to be a pan-India hero. No more Kotta hero for him. He's going to be a pan-India hero. And the name Virat, we all know Virat Kohli. Virat Karna, after July 3rd, the whole of India is going to know. Not just India, internationally, everybody is going to know Virat Karna. And Nava, you're always so energetic. You're so full of life. May you always be like this. Whatever little time I spent with everybody, you were always the one who was charged up. So thank you for being amazing. And the art director, Ashok sir, thank you so much for the amazing set. And a special mention, we all have seen how beautiful the sets are, but there have been art assistants who have been working on this set for months. And we were shooting in a boat, and I remember that there was water around, and in that tank, the art assistants were in the water the whole day. The whole day they were there in the water getting wet, but whatever happened, they were there to make sure everything went. So thank you to all the art assistants, Ashok sir. Please mention. It's a lot of work, it's a teamwork, so thank you. And to all the co-stars, my John Vijay is not here today. I've had scenes with John Vijay, Sonia, and Amit. Everybody, thank you. And did I miss out anybody else? No, right? Oh yeah, and the music director, Junaid and Abhi, thank you. This is such an amazing music to listen to. And to our fastest editor, Pranav. He's going to be known from now on as the fastest editor. Abhishek sir has given in the tag. And in this movie, we have 5 fight masters. My scenes were with a Hollywood fight director called Vlad Rimberg. Apart from him, we have Nandu Master, we have Kicha Master, we have Real Satish Master, we have Colonel Kanan Master. So every fight sequence is different. It's going to be a visually mesmerizing experience for the audience when they watch it on screens. And this is one film which nobody should wait for it to come on the OTT. If they do it, they're going to regret it later. So it's a film which has to be enjoyed on the big screen. So please watch Nagabandham on the 3rd of July. And thank you to all the press and media. Thank you, everyone. And thank you, Manju ma'am, for hosting this also. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That was so nice of you. And